Hi guys, today I'll be extracting some bread nuts. Welcome to our channel Bucky's Touch, where we share all our DIYs, and I am Bucky. Thank you so much for subscribing. Thanks for 700 subscribers, and thanks for stopping by. Stay tuned. So I just freshly picked these fruits from under the tree. As you can see, it's all mashed up, and we're now gonna extract the bread nuts from the fruit. I hope I'm saying everything correctly. This is my first time doing it. Yeah. So what we're gonna do is just as I am doing in the video, just pull out the seeds. It's not complicated, it's very, very easy. Yeah, just like this. So that's a bread nut. And the process continues. So guys, I haven't been posting my videos as I'm supposed to. I am very sorry about that. I've been up and down, and I hope to be more consistent this time. Yep. I'm very new to bread nuts, and I'm yet to research more. I understand that it has tremendous health benefits. I also understand that they are an excellent source of protein, carbohydrates, and fiber, while also being low in fat content. So this is something good that I can incorporate in my diet. The skin looks like this because it fell from the tree, so I can't really give you a picture of how the bread nut fruit looks. So let me take this opportunity to say thank you so much for bringing me to 707 subscribers. I really appreciate that. One of the challenges also that I've been facing is using a new editing app. So I'm trying to figure out a lot of things, but I'm getting there. Yeah. Thank you for being patient with me. So I'm almost done, and look at how lovely they are. These bread nuts are 5 days old, and I forgot to attend to them, and they are looking black and ugly. But my husband told me, no, don't throw them away. They are still good. Just try to extract the nuts from it. I don't know if I should call them bread nut fruits or bread nuts. I don't know. Yeah. So I've decided to wear gloves. Yeah. So I'll pull out all the seeds. Yeah. I'm almost done. And Look at how they're looking. I need to give them a good washing. Yeah. So I have my water ready, and I'm just gonna squeeze this half a lemon in the water. You don't have to. I just have a lot of lemons in my kitchen. And then you pour in your bread nuts. Just wash them until the water is clear. As you can see, this water is not clear. Just continue washing them. When they're clean, they will have a shine, just like the ones that I did when the bread nut was green. So even these, you just continue to wash them, just like the way you wash clothes. Anyway, yours won't be 5 days old. So look at how pretty it's looking. I'm glad I didn't throw it away. Yeah. I mean, it may not be as pretty as the first one, but it still looks good. So thank you so much for taking your time to watch my video, and please subscribe, hit the notification bell for more videos, like and share. Goodbye.